Hey guys, Steve with AllCheck Inspections here, just doing a quick video for you guys on why it is so important to have your home inspected, as well as for us to get as close as we can to the roof. At first glance from the ground, this roof appears to have been replaced very recently, probably when this house was remodeled. And from the ground, I could see lots of kind of distortions and things that didn't just look quite right. So obviously with this house, I was able to get up and get as close of a view as possible. And I'm glad that I did, because as you can see, when I get up here, you can see we have tons of little spots like this all over the roof that are damaged, cracked, loose. After walking around this whole roof, it's like, man, who did this roof? Because we don't want those guys or these guys doing our roofs. Not a great job at all. We got all sorts of misplaced fasteners all over the place. We have shingles that are cracked, damaged, missing in areas. This should not be the case on a brand new roof. They did not caulk or seal any of our exposed fasteners. We have, probably the most important thing is, they took all of the box vents out. So I saw that there were box vents previously when I was in the attic, and here you can see there is absolutely nothing there at the ridge. In a couple spots over there, it looks like there is part of a mesh ridge vent, but they have the shingles installed so tightly over the top of it, as you can see, that we are not going to allow this attic space to breathe in any way, shape, or form. There's no box vents on the backside. There's no real ridge vent going on. These things we really wouldn't be able to see unless we got up here. So, and then of course, for the finale on this roof, we have an entire piece of siding here at the chimney that has fallen off, and now that is a gigantic hole right into the attic. So again, it looks, semi-decent from the ground. You can definitely tell that it has been replaced, but then when you get up here and get your eyes closer to it, we really start to see a lot of issues going on with this thing. So it's definitely a great idea to have an inspection done on this place, regardless of the fact that it's all been completely redone. And it might have been checked, but it wasn't all checked.